Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: battery above 50% or hooked to power, and an active SIM with data. Power the device on. Hold the button until LEDs indicate ready. Once the device boots, remove any SIM PIN lock and enter APN details via the companion app or SMS command so the tracker can access mobile data. Make sure you place the unit near a window or outside for the first GPS fix. This gives satellites a clear view and speeds up initial location acquisition. Once connected, you configure tracking parameters to balance battery life and precision. Set the update interval, shorter intervals, 10-30 seconds, give finer movement detail but drain battery faster, longer intervals preserve power. Next, program geofence zones, emergency SOS number, and movement thresholds so the device only alerts when needed. Then test live tracking on the map, watch timestamps and accuracy circles, and perform a short walk test to confirm location updates, match real movement before relying on it. You finish by mounting the tracker securely using tamper-resistant methods and scheduling routine maintenance. Charge weekly or as needed and verify connectivity monthly. Before daily use, confirm geofence and SOS numbers remain correct. If the tracker fails to get a GPS fix, restart the device and verify the SIM and APN settings, then move the unit outdoors or reposition the antenna away from metal obstructions. If problems persist, check for firmware updates or contact support with device ID and recent log details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.